Yeah, I deliberately use the word influence when I talk about leadership because I think it's literally encouraging people to do things. And there are two manifestations of influence for me. One is authority, and that's legitimized influence, and that's informed by two things. The first is the rule of law. So is what we're asking people to do legal or within the boundaries of what my responsibilities are? And the other is moral consciousness, which in fact means, is it the right thing to do? So legitimized authority informed by the rule of law and moral consciousness is authority. And that, in fact, is the most discrete and easily described form of influence, because that oftentimes is tied to situations where a person has rank or responsibility or specific control over things. But I also suggest that influence without authority is meritorious. And honestly, the thing I feel that is most strongly about as it relates to leaders is we must learn to influence without authority. Because frankly, the bulk of the work that we do early, especially in the early stages of our career, are trying to convince people of the merits of our ideas, are trying to give them a clear understanding and illustration of what we're attempting to do so that they can see it and they can say, that makes sense, I'd be happy to help you with that. And so to carry that a step further, I think influence without authority is actually the most significant and most powerful form of effective leadership.